So pwede mo itong magamit sa education. For example, no, itong ginawa namin na example na to, no. So, kung age 0 yan at age 6, which is grade 1 siya magsa-start yung payout. So, for example, ang kinuha mo na payout, 100,000 pesos every 2 years. So, syempre mas mataas yan, hindi na yan 33,000 pesos per year for the next 20 years yung premium. So, every 2 years, 100,000. Pag grade 3, 100,000 ulit. Grade 5, 100,000. Grade 7, grade 9, grade 11. Hanggang mag-college, first year, third year, fifth year. Kung postgraduate, ganun pa rin. 'Di ba? So, kung mag-medicine, yung anak mo, even graduation gift, magagamit mo pa rin itong amount na ito. No? Itong pera na ito. Depende sa'yo for whatever purpose. Hindi lang siya pang education. Pwede rin pang early retirement mo. Pwede pang travel ninyo. Pwede pang bili ng luxury item, luxury bag during that time. Pambili ng laptop. Whatever. Right? This is a long-term savings plan. Kesa